Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by quickly assessing the paper and the mark. If the sheet is thin or coated, you must be gentle. Pressing hard will tear fibers. Once done, position the paper on a clean board and remove surface grit with a soft brush because grit causes scratching while you erase. Use a kneaded eraser first for lifting loose graphite. It molds to the mark and avoids abrasion. Make sure to have a white vinyl eraser on hand for tougher, stubborn areas. You now lift the remaining residue using the kneaded eraser, pressing and lifting rather than rubbing. This reduces friction and fiber damage. Once the kneaded eraser stops working, switch to a white vinyl eraser. Use short, light strokes at a shallow angle to remove pigment without gouging. If the mark is deep, work outward from the center to prevent halos or smudging, and make sure to test any stronger action on a corner or scrap so you know how the paper reacts before proceeding. Finish by removing eraser crumbs with a soft brush or gently with low suction vacuum. Debris left behind will attract dirt. If you see ghost marks or discoloration, a soft art gum or breadcrumb can often refine the area. Use light lifts only. If the paper begins to thin or show tears, stop immediately. Make sure to place a backing sheet and consider archival tape or professional conservation. If things go wrong, consult a conservator.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.